Hi everyone, today we're going to be making a fun kids activity, a build your own memory game. So I have this bag here and I have some pieces of paper and I'm going to build a belly band. These brown pieces are 8 by 2 and I have this white strip that is 6 by 1 3/4. So I'm going to take my brown pieces and put some score tape on the edge of one and try and make it about as long as the paper, or you can use a tape gun. There we go. And then I'm going to put a piece of paper underneath my bag and then fold it. I'm going to try and fold it as straight as possible. There we go. There we go. Now that both sides are done, I'm going to put some more score tape on there. Just going to put a little bit on each side. And then just fold it over. There we go. And now for my piece that is 6 by 1 3/4. I'm going to take some more score tape and put some on there. Oops. That's fine. Maybe not. There we go. And then I'm going to peel those off. And then stick it on my belly band so maybe you won't see the line. There we go. So now that that's done, since it's a build your own, I have all these little pieces right here. I used the Paper Pack Christmas Snow from Crafty Stamp Co. And I used the blue snowflakes with the brown snowflakes, and these pieces are 1.5 by 1.5. And then on the other side of these ones, it's this blue piece, and these are these were 1 3/4 by 1 3/4. And I used textured ivory, and those ones are 2 by 2. So I'm going to set those aside. So now we're going to be making interactive instructions. So I have all my pieces right here. And first we're going to make a finished one. We're going to kind of make it like a Lego instruction book. So I'm going to put a finished one right here. And I'm going to take my pieces. I have a vanilla piece that is 2 inches. I have a blue piece that is the back side of the snowflakes that is 1 3/4, and then the snowflakes are 1.5. So I'm just going to glue all of those together. I'm just going to use a tape runner. I'm going to move this. There we go. So now that that's all put together, I have these little pieces that are 2 by 1.5, and they're scored at 3/4. And I'm just gonna fold that and tape it, and then I'm gonna put that on my little square. There we go. And then I'm gonna take another square, and then on the inside I'm going to put a little penguin from Cold Weather Penguins. There we go. And I'm just gonna glue that on there. And then they should be able to flip it. So I'm going to take my sheet of paper that's going to be my little instruction book. It is 10 by 5.5, scored at 5. So I'm going to put some more tape on there. Oops. And then put it in the corner, and then they can see the finished. So now, where did that go? This is what they're gonna have to do first. They're gonna color it, because this will make it all bumpy and weird. So make sure that's straight, and then I'm gonna put some more tape on there, and then put that one right there. I'm gonna take a pen, oops, and put a 1. There we go. So now I'm gonna take all of my other pieces that are gonna build this, and I'm just gonna tape all of them. And this one is gonna go here. And then use this for sizing to where to put that. There we go. And then for this one, we're gonna put it on a little flippy thing. So I'm going to, oops. I'm gonna stamp another little guy on here. There we go. And then I'm gonna take my other piece and so now I'm gonna put my little flippy flappy on there. And I'm gonna put it, oops. I'm gonna put it on the right side of the penguin, and then flip it over, and then put the little blank piece on there. There we go. And then I want the penguin to be right here. So when they flip it over, they know all these need to go on the other side. So, oops, there we go. So I'm gonna put that right there, and then flip. And then with this, I'm gonna do little arrows. There we go. And that is the little instruction book. So I forgot to burnish these so they lay down nice and flat. Oops. There we go. And that's pretty flat. Yeah. That's good. And then I'm going to do that on the same, do the same thing on the other one. There we go. And then so they know they're supposed to color this, I'm just going to color some in a little bit. There we go. And then I should probably color the other one too. There we go. So that's all done. And then you can fold your book. And there we go. I'm going to put that off to the side. And now I'm going to take, for the parts that they're going to build, I'm going to pre-stamp all of the images. And I have 8 of these. Where did my other one go? I had to color another or cut another one because I didn't have 8. So you should have 8 of those. And let's see. I'm going to stamp using the same little guy with the Santa hat. I'm just gonna put him on there. And make 2 of each. There we go. And I'm going to use a different little penguin. There we go. And there we go. All our little pieces are pre-stamped. So now, just gonna mix them all up. And then you should have 8 of each of your small square with the snowflakes and the medium square that's blue. So now I'm going to take my bag and I'm going to put all of this in there. Oops. There we go. Kind of make them flat. I can take that off. So now I'm going to put the belly band on. It's a little snug. There we go. So now, where'd my ribbon go? So now I'm going to wrap some ribbon around the belly band. And I'm going to be using a hot glue gun. And it just needs to be as long as your belly band. Oh, it's all weird. I'm going to put just a little bit. Don't burn your fingerprints off. And I'm going to glue that to the belly band. There we go. And now I'm going to take my crayons. Ew, cobwebs. And then I'm going to take some more ribbon. Just lay them on there. And then we're going to tie a bow. Yep. I'm going to try and make this as nice as possible. Now I'm going to clip the edges a little bit and make it look all fancy. There we go. And then I'm going to glue my crayons on there, but I'm going to put the glue on the ribbon. You might want to tie it tighter because mine isn't. There we go, that's kind of better. Anyways, I'm gonna put the glue on the ribbon. And then stick it on there. And there we go. There is our Christmas Kids activity. I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you later. Bye.